Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn your read receipts on or off. It's very, very simple and easy to change. So all you have to do is head over to your settings on your iPhone. Just go ahead and open that up. Once you're on your settings, you want to scroll down until you find the option for messages. So as you guys see right here, you see this tab for messages. You want to click on that. And then once you're in the messages option, you can see there's tons of different things you could change, but what you're going to be looking for is the said read receipts option just right here. And then if it's gray, just like mine is here, it'll mean that they're off. And then if they're green like this, that means that it's on. So just go ahead and turn it to what you would like. And then that setting would then be changed in your phone. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you where to change this setting. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.